Some of the reasons why you experience hair breakage is due to the tight protective hairstyles. You should be loose and not tight because making it tight does not grow your hair. Use a comb that is fit for your hair, like the white tooth comb. Moisturize your hair so your hair will not dry out. Minimize the use of heat on your hair. Sleep with a satin bonnet on. All this will reduce hair fall, split ends, and hair breakage. In today's video, I share a potent DIY hairspray for hair growth and thick hair. Our first ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera has several beauty boosting properties. It contains vitamin A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. It also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Add about 250 ml of water into a pot and set on medium heat. You can increase the volume of the water if you want to store the remains. Our second ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary stimulates hair growth and thickening by supplying the hair follicles with the vital nutrients for healthy hair growth. Rosemary helps strengthen and protect hair from damage. It also reduces frizz and boosts hair shine. Our third ingredient is ginger. Ginger has several vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, which help in strengthening and improving hair quality while promoting longer and stronger hair. Antioxidants present in ginger protect hair follicles and reduce damage, leading to improved hair growth. Mix the ingredients together and boil for 15 minutes. Bring it down and allow to cool. Do you have stunted hair? Do your hair breaks too often? Or the edges of your hair are not growing? This hairspray will help your hair bounce back. Once the mixture has cooled down, use a strainer to collect the water. Pour into your spray bottle and the hairspray is ready for use. If you made this hairspray in large quantity, make sure to add your preservatives before storing. You can apply the hairspray as a leave-in, do not wash it out, or you can use it as a final rinse on your wash day. Massage the hairspray into your scalp and on your hair. Please make sure to apply your hair cream and hair oil. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share to family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.